What's up guys, today's video's on the top 5 best circular saw 2022 that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal research. If you would like to see more details on these products and the updated prices, please check out the description below and be sure to subscribe to get more reviews. Okay, let's get started with the video. Number 5. Getting the hang of a circular saw can be a bit of a challenge, but a circular saw with laser guidance can make the job that much easier. This scale circular saw features a single beam laser that allows the user to maintain consistent passes on cut lines, taking some of the learning curve out of straight cuts. Besides the laser beam, this circular saw also boasts a 5,300 RPM top speed from its 15-amp motor, offering plenty of power and capability. This saw's base bevels up to 51 degrees, allowing the 7 1/4-inch blade to cut a variety of angles. And, to make this saw a bit safer, there is a safety lock in the handle that the user must depress before squeezing the trigger. Just keep in mind that for its affordable price, Skil had to trade many metal components for plastic. Number 4. Dewalt was at the forefront of brushless technology and lithium-ion battery technology, and the company's 20V6 1/2-inch circular saw is a prime example of what the brand's tools can do. This cordless circular saw uses the same 20V battery that most of the Dewalt lineup now runs on, so those invested in the 20V lineup will have a host of compatible batteries. It also runs at a top speed of 5,150 RPMs, allowing it to keep up with high-end corded models. Despite its power and capability, this saw weighs just over 7 pounds. It features a beveling base that adjusts between 0 and 50 degrees, while the rubber overmolded grip remains comfortable and reduces vibration. Keep in mind that this is a tool-only purchase. The saw doesn't come with a battery or charger. Number 3. Not everyone needs all of the features of a top-of-the-line cordless saw or the heavy-duty capability of a timber framing model. For DIY projects that include an occasional small framing job or breaking down plywood sheets, and when saving money is a priority, the affordable Craftsman 7 1/4-inch circular saw might be the right choice. This 15-amp model runs at 5,500 RPMs and features a magnesium shoe for reduced weight. The shoe bevels up to 55 degrees, allowing users to customize the angle of their cuts. Also, this model features a built-in rafter hook that DIYers can use to hang it from a beam, ladder, or another ledge. Keep in mind that a lot of this saw is plastic, so it might not be so durable should it slip from that beam, ladder, or ledge. Number 2. Dewalt is a leader in the power tool market, and this corded 7 1/4-inch circular saw is a prime example of why. This lightweight circular saw weighs just 8.8 pounds but still offers heavy-duty, high-speed cutting thanks to its 15-amp motor and a top speed of 5,200 RPMs. And to bring that 5,200 RPM spinning blade to a quick and safe stop, this saw features an electric brake. This circular saw from Dewalt has a bevel capacity of up to 57 degrees, with positive stops at 45 and 22 1/2 degrees. It also offers a deeper cutting depth than most of its competitors, at 9/16 inches. The base is aluminum for weight savings, the saw weighs less than 9 pounds, and features built-in wrench storage for quick and easy blade changes. The included 18T blade is only suitable for construction but will cut dense wood quickly. Number 1. For all-around capability, performance, and features, the Makita 5007 mg 7 1/4-inch circular saw is worth a look. This powerful corded model uses a 15-amp motor and runs at speeds up to 5,800 RPMs, allowing it to tackle anything from construction to cabinet making. It also features magnesium components to lighten the weight, though it does still weigh over 10 pounds. The 5007 mg has plenty of desirable built-in features. It features 2 built-in LED lights as well as a built-in dust blower, allowing users to keep their eyes on the cut line at all times. It also has a large cutting capacity, giving the 7 1/4-inch blade a 2 1/2-inch cutting depth. This circular saw's beveling base has positive stops of 22½ and 45 degrees. The kit comes with a heavy-duty carrying case as well, protecting the investment during transport and storage. It comes with a 24-tooth blade, but users will likely find upgrading to a better blade well worth it. Thanks for watching, guys. That's all for now. I hope you guys liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Hope to see you guys in the next video.